So here's something that we get. We actually got a few of these in the last few weeks. We do something when we sign off on this Fortunate Question segment every time. And what is it? We say, don't forget,
sushi.
Say sushi. And people are going, what's up with the say sushi?
That's right.
So you know we're the chopstick guys. There's two things that we're passionate about. Things that you eat with chopsticks, in particular sushi, and photography. And that's how we got our name.
That's right. And you know when everybody always says, say cheese?
Say cheese, right at the, to take the picture.
Yeah, that's really dumb to
It's
say.
dumb. It's dumb.
Yeah.
So what we've been doing, and actually we started doing it like when we're taking portrait orders.
And I find people laugh.
Oh,
They
laugh.
smile.
Right? It's
Catches
just
them off
say
guard.
sushi, they're like, huh? And it's a funny thing.
Yeah.
So that's what we're trying to start is the worldwide phenomenon of eliminating cheese out of the
That's right.
photography
And
diet.
replacing cheese
replacing
with
it
sushi.
So we just wanted to give you that little extra bonus tip just for you. So don't forget, like always, say sushi.